Welcome to the SprayMate instructional series. In this video, we will be unboxing and assembling a tornado backpack sprayer. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. You will need a box cutter or knife and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, remove the sprayer and all accessories from the box. The standard kit includes an 18-volt 2.6 amp-hour battery, while the tool-only version will include a set of quick swap adapters. Watch our quick swap install video for more information on that. Attached to each sprayer, you will find a tag containing some important information. It's a good idea to read it before discarding. Aside from the sprayer, you will also find backpack straps, an inline spray handle, spray wand, and a charger if you purchase the battery kit. Everything you need to know about your sprayer can be found inside the included operation manual. Make sure to open the battery compartment. Often, nozzles will be stored inside during shipping. Each sprayer comes with an adjustable nozzle and a set of tips. Under the tank lid, you will find the bottom wand holster and a set of nuts and bolts. To attach the bottom holster, note the hexagonal cutouts on one side. Slide the holster onto the protrusion near the bottom of the sprayer. Then, place a nut inside a hexagonal cutout and thread the bolt through the other side using a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat this process for the other nut and bolt. To attach the backpack straps, it's helpful to lay the sprayer face down on a flat surface. Lay the flat side of the straps onto the back of the tank. Take the top strap and thread it through the loop on the top of the sprayer's tank. Pull the strap up through the buckle opening closest to the shoulder strap. Then, pull the strap back down through the other opening. Repeat this process on the other top strap. For the bottom, thread the shorter strap through the loop on the bottom of the sprayer's tank. Pull the strap up through the buckle opening closest to the bottom tank loop, and then pull the strap through the other opening. Repeat this process for the other bottom strap. Next, take the long strap and pull it up through the buckle opening on the padded backpack straps and down through the other opening, similar to the top strap. Repeat this on the other padded strap. Then, take the hose and remove the threaded protective plug at the end of the hose. Attach the inline spray handle to the hose once the plug is removed. Locate the spray wand. Slide the O-ring down until it's snug against the spray handle. Then, twist the collar down onto the threads of the spray handle to secure the spray wand. Choose the nozzle you want to use and slide the O-ring to meet the nozzle at the end of the wand. Then, twist the collar onto the nozzle assembly until it's secured. If your sprayer includes a battery pack, make sure to fully charge the battery before using it for the first time. You can check the charge level at any time by pressing the battery icon on the front of the battery and activating the indicator lights. Insert a charged battery into the battery holster and you're ready to spray.